Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you get this on your dash, you need to replace the light bulb over here. So let me show you how to do that. First, we're gonna pop the back hatch, lift it up. From inside here, there's a little plastic cover. You're just gonna do a little 90-degree twist and you can take that right off. Let me show you what's going on back here. This is the housing. It has one little electrical connector that you're gonna have to disconnect. You just pinch in on the two sides and disconnect it. And then there are just 4 nuts on these posts holding it in. Sorry, there's 3 nuts. There should be 1 here and then 2 over here on this side. Yeah, 1 up there in the corner and 1 right down here. These are gonna be 8mm. Easiest way, just take a little 8mm ratcheting wrench or something like this. Get down there, loosen them, and then you can take them off by hand. All right, here is our first one right here. Loose, and then you can spin it off. All right, and get the other 2. Once the 3 of those are off, you can just kind of grab this from behind, wiggle it a little bit, and just pull it right out. Gentle, not to scratch up the bumper. And then it's gonna look like this from behind. To get this thing out, right by where the electrical connector is just one little tab. You just push it in and it releases this piece and just comes right out like this. You can see this one over here is a little blackened, and you can see that this one has 2 filaments on the insides. So one of those filaments is just when you have your headlights on, your tail light comes on, and then when you press the brake light, the other one comes on to get brighter. You can see like this one up here on the inside only has 1 filament on the inside. So there's 2 different types of bulbs. The one with 1 filament just has 1 contact point on the back, and they all have 2 little tabs like this. So the way you get them out is you press them in, you do a little bit of a turn, and you take them out. So reinstalling them is the same. You can see where the tabs go in to lock. So you just press it in, twist it a little bit, and it gets locked into place. And you can see the back of the ones with 2 filaments have 2 contact points. So we're just gonna get a new one to replace this one. So this is the replacement bulb there, number 7225. I just happened to have one left over from last time I changed one. If you want, you can just set this right here. I plugged that connector back in from the back, and we can test them out right now before we put everything back together. First way you can know if you fixed it, obviously, is when you turn this back on. All right, so I'm gonna step on the brake. And that message went away. So there we go. That's the first way you know you fixed it. So with the ignition on and the lights off, everything is off. Go and turn my headlights on. And now all of the bottom 3 should be on. Turn signal. Amber 1 is flashing. And get my tripod out. And hit the brakes a couple times. There we go. Oh, and the last light up here is your reverse light. So let me show you that. I'll throw it in reverse real quick. There you go. Reverse, neutral, reverse, neutral. All right, so now all you have to do is reassemble, drop that back in, push it in until it snaps, clips back in place. All right, we're gonna bring our tail light here, gently slide it back into place and reattach the electrical connection, put our nuts back on, tighten them up, and we're good to go. All right, it's that simple, guys. 1 8mm wrench and you're done. Please give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Leave any comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.